Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable. And a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit. And a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of that. These particular horoscope, weekly horoscope, if something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope, this will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Aries weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The coming week for you, Aries. This is the coming week. Aries in this coming week due to Venus Ketu in 8th house. Beware of any kind of a scandalous situation, or look after your health regarding urine or lower abdomen or digestive system. Rahu's position 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Look after your marriage relationship. Refrain from offending anybody with your ego or word of speech or sharp language or attitude. Sun in position in 7th house. Sun, Mars, Mercury. Sun's position in 7th house. You have to look after your marriage relationship. Look after your joint venture. Watch your word of speech or presentation. Mars and Mercury in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies, please. Jupiter, Saturn in 10th house. Watch your financial decision or professional decision if you're investing any money in your business or career. So you have to be extra careful. Improve your communication with people around you. Aries, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define you moon's transit effect. That will define you, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. An extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from the situation. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save yourself. what sacred chanting you can do to achieve your supremacy spiritually. For that kind of weekly report, if you're looking for applied weekly horoscope report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Conclusion part 1 for this coming week, Aries. In this coming week, due to your planets, Sun and Sun's position especially, most of your hopes and desires, expectation will be fulfilled. Aries, you will be appreciated and recognized by decision maker, by powerful people, people who have wealth, power and authority, people who have legal authority. You'll be recognized by them. You're involved in a new project, new ventures, new planning, new ideas. You will be in contact with a lot of professional people, powerful people, decision makers, people who can offer you opportunities. Aries, your expenditure can be sky high, and due to over expenditure, you can be sometimes very much under pressure, sometimes very much tense, upset, disappointed, because expenditure is very, very high, income is not according to expenditure. Taurus, Venus, Ketu in 7th house. Beware of any kind of a scandalous relationship or sourness in the relationship or relationship conflict. Please be careful. Look after your reputation. Beware of dodgy companion. Rahu positions Lagna. Watch your ego. Watch your aggression. Sun position 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies. Mars and Mercury in 5th house. Watch your actions and conduct. Look after your health. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Define your moon's transit effect. That will define your gut feeling, your imagination, your vision, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save yourself. What sacred chanting you must do to achieve supremacy spiritually. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website and get your applied weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Taurus, weekly conclusion for this coming week. Conclusion part 1, Taurus. In this coming week, your routine progression will be there. Lots of your stale project will be back on track. For the business professional expansion, you will be in contact with a lot of professional friends, professional colleagues. You will get their support, guidance, help. People will stand by you. People will support you. Taurus, there will be fruitless running around, fruitless expenditure. You have to look after your health and well-being. Taurus, refrain from any unnecessary aggression, foul temper, overreactions. Taurus, you'll have to control yourself regarding your behavior, your presentation, your word of speech. Otherwise, your own behavior can be your biggest issue, biggest problem. Taurus, watch your expenditure. Try not to overspend anywhere, please. This coming week for you, Gemini, this is very important week. This is a week for you. Gemini, due to Mars, Mercury, and may I say that Mars, Mercury position in 4th house. Beware of any kind of a foul temper and aggressive attitude, and watch your temper and watch your aggression. Sun position 5th house. You must be active, creative, dynamic. Keep up your activity, keep up your determination. Jupiter, Saturn 8th house. Look after your health, look after your financial backing, look after your professional financial decisions. Rahu's position 12th house. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Watch your speculation, watch your expenditure. Venus, Ketu in 6th house. May I say that look after your health, look after your enemies. Keep a close eye. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from any kind of a situation or equation. What precautions you must implement in discipline. May I say that those kind of precautions are very important, which will help you save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days. Those kind of sacred chanting is quite important, which can give you supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Gemini, conclusion part 1. In this coming week, due to planetary combination, you will achieve professional achievements, financial rewards, lot of prosperous opportunities. Lot of your problem will be resolved, done and dusted. Your own people, your own friends and colleagues will support you, guide you. There will be rise in income, resources, and a lot of professional opportunities. Gemini, you will receive unexpected good news. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor. With the help of a foreign contact, you will achieve resources, financial gain, professional and financial opportunities. Gemini, you will be in contact with a lot of people from abroad. Cancerian weekly brief forecast, week commencing 18th October till 24th October. Cancerian in this coming week, due to Jupiter, Saturn in 7th house, may I say that this particular week you must look after your marriage, look after your health, look after your companionship. Sun position 4th house, look after your relationship. Mars, Mercury in 3rd house, watch your communication with people around you. Watch your aggression, watch your communication with people around you. Venus, Ketu position in 5th house. Refrain from any kind of a scandalous relationship. But look after your romantic side, please. Make sure you don't do anything which you can't justify. Rahu's position 11th house. Make sure that this particular scenario, you got to be extremely cautious and may I say very, very careful when you're dealing with decision maker or higher authorities. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like Moon's transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your gut feeling, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from any kind of a situation or equation. If you are in need of help, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do in this particular week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Cancerian weekly conclusion. In this coming week, conclusion part 1 for Cancerian. In this coming week, you will achieve mixed fruit, mixed rewards. Financial backing will be better than before. Professionally, Cancerian, you'll be quite busy and you can be all over the place. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor. In foreign project, Cancerian, you will get the support, guidance, help from the family members. By the weekend, your circumstances will be better, will be improved as compared to past. But there are a lot of secret tension you will hold very close to your heart, which you don't want to share with anybody. You don't want to make sure that you are holding a lot of things close to your chest, which is good. But make sure that you have to detox your stress. You will be participating in a lot of social events, religious events, a lot of mingling with people around you. You'll have to be very careful about your decisions, about your choices you're making now. You have to be extra careful. Leo, in this coming week, due to Venus, Ketu in 4th house, beware of scandal, beware of any kind of a lack of focus or concentration, beware of restlessness. Jupiter, Saturn position in 6th house, keep a close eye on your enemies, look after your health. Rahu's position 10th house, watch your financial decision or professional decision. Look after your relationship with your colleagues in your job, profession, career. Mars, Mercury position in 2nd house. Watch your word of speeches. Refrain from offending anybody with your language or attitude or out of control aggression. Watch your flow of income as well. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which will give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit effect. That will define your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do to achieve your supremacy spiritually. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Leo. In this coming week, you will go through lots of mental instabilities, lot of issues, lot of uncertainties, lot of hassles, Leo, lot of complications, insecurities. Leo, due to particular individual person, you have to go through a lot of challenging situations. You have to be careful. You'll come across lots of hassles due to this particular individual person. Lot of challenges, lot of complications. Sometimes dispute, sometimes too much argument, sometimes going through a lot of aggression. At home, there will be restlessness. Sometimes you know the reason, sometimes you don't know the reason. You got to look after your health and well-being, mentally and physically. Sometimes you can be very much upset, disappointed, worried, tensed, very much annoyed. Due to your enemy, you will come across lots of issues. One of your running project becomes stale due to your own sworn enemies. You have to be extra careful. Refrain from unnecessary arguments, conflicts, fruitless debates. Be careful. In this coming week, Jupiter-Saturn position in 5th house. Watch your activity, creativity. Watch your conduct and dealing. Mars-Mercury in position in 1st house. Watch your aggression, watch your temper. Watch your word of speech, watch your mingling. Sun position in 2nd house. Look after your relationship with people around you. Watch your flow of income. Venus Ketu in 3rd house. This particular phase of time, may I say that Venus Ketu in 3rd house, watch your communication with world around you. Rahu's position in 9th house. Look after you. May I say, you must look after your relationship with your elders and look after your back. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, may I say that, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. May I say that, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do, may I say, to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Virgo. In this coming week, you'll have a lot of hassles regarding health, lot of fruitless running around. There will be lots of insecurity, tension, fruitless expenditure. Your expenditure will be more than your income. With the help of foreign contract, you will be back on progression. With the help of foreign support, you will be back on track. Due to Venus position in this your weekly horoscope, there are lots of good happening, mingling, happy events, gathering, celebration, socializing, rising your name, fame and establishment. And you'll be participating in a lot of social events, religious events, you name it. A lot of good things will be happening around this time for the best. Libra weekly brief forecast, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. Libra, this is the coming week for you. Libra, due to Rahu's position in 8th house, watch your health, harmony, happiness. Watch your behavior, look after your marriage relationship. Venus Ketu position in 2nd house, look after your flow of income. Refrain from any kind of scandalous relationship. Jupiter Saturn position in 4th house, watch your family equation. Refrain from sadness or grumpiness. Moon position in 6th house. Look after your energy level. Mars, Mercury in 12th house. Refrain from any kind of a loss of money through investment or speculation. Sun position in Lagna. Watch your decisions and choices. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define you, moon's transit effect for you for this coming week. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do or exercise in the whole 7 days to achieve your supremacy spiritually, to accomplish your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Libra weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Libra. In this coming week, your willpower, determination, enthusiasm will be sky high. And your foreign project will be back on track. Libra, you will be very much active, creative, dynamic. There are few family differences of opinion and clashes due to ego, due to too much pride. You have to be extra careful if you are dealing with any matter linked with inheritance, any matter linked with property. You have to be on guard and alert. You got to make sure that when you're dealing or mingling with senior people in your family or profession, kindly be respectful toward them. Weekly view forecast. Week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. Scorpio. Scorpio, in this coming week, this is the coming week for you. Rahu's position 7th house. Watch your marriage relationship, watch your romantic relationship, watch your business partnership, behavior of cheating, deception, fraud, watch your financial losses. Be careful, please. Venus Ketu Lagna. Look after your conduct. If you're in a romantic relationship, beware of any kind of a scandalous relationship around you, please be careful. Sun position 12th house. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment, please. Watch your investment or speculation. Mars, Mercury in 11th house. There are a lot of equations developed regarding income sources or financial opportunities, but you have to be very careful when you're making your choices. Saturn, Jupiter in 3rd house. Watch your communication with the world around you. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole coming week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Scorpio. Conclusion part 1, Scorpio. In this coming week, your official task will be completed and done and dusted. Most of your efforts will be rewarded. You'll make a lots of professional planning to rise to achieve. You'll make a lots of significant changes in your working style, in your working planning, in your projects, in your venture into ideas which will bring the best reward for you. You'll have to recreate, create a significant change in your working style, change of working style. You will be developing a lot of professional contacts which will give you financial backing, prosperous opportunities and opportunity for the future. There will be lots of running around, lot of hustle and bustle. There will be lots of expenditure. Sometimes you can be annoyed. Sometimes you can be upset. Sometimes you can be very much disappointed. Sagittarius, in this coming week, Jupiter settled in 2nd house. Watch your flow of income. Watch your conduct and dealing. Mars, Mercury in 10th house. May I say that look after your professional decisions or financial decisions. Watch your investment, please. Sun position 11th house. If you're coming across lots of financial income resources opportunities, you must know how to handle those opportunities. Venus Ketu in 12th house. May I say that this particular time period, watch your investment, watch your spending. Sometimes you end up spending a lot of money, but with your own conscience, yes, you will do make a decision, but still you have to watch. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit effect. That will define your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must do in this particular week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Sagittarius. In this coming week, there will be rise in status, prestige and honor. In this coming week, you will be very much busy in socializing and participating in a lot of social events, religious events. Sagittarius, you will have enough income resources to survive. There will be rise in comfort, luxuries, lifestyle, rise in name, fame and establishment. You will be very much in contact with professional people, powerful people, decision maker. There will be happy occasion, gathering, celebration in the family. You got to look after your health. You got to look after your well-being. Mentally, you can be under a lot of stress. Capricorn, in this coming week, due to Venus Ketu in 11th house. Watch your income resources, financial opportunities. Rahu's position 5th house. Watch your decision choices. Please, if there are any confusion, you must sort it out. You must go and talk to your advisor. If you have any issue with the decision maker or legal decisions or legal issues, you must go and see the consultant, please, as soon as possible. Mercury, Mars in 9th house. Elder support will be creating wonders for you. Sun position in 10th house. Watch your professional decisions, choices. Jupiter, Saturn in 1st house. Refrain from any kind of a laziness. Look after your health. Look after yourself. Watch your decision. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, and precaution what you need to do, what you shouldn't. Precaution means what you shouldn't do in this coming week to save your skin. Chanting will give you supremacy, spiritual supremacy. Chanting will give you spiritual help to achieve the supremacy or accomplish your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Capricorn, weekly conclusion. Capricorn, conclusion part 1. In this coming week, Saturn is back on track, back on direct. So situation will improve, circumstances will improve. Financially, you will be better off as compared to past. Great improvement in your circumstances. Professionally, you will be quite busy, very active, very creative, very dynamic. Foreign project will bring you rewards, financial rewards. Success, prosperity, guidance, support, help from people around you. You got to look after your family. You got to look after your health. You got to look after your family relationship, family bond. There are lots of suspicious factors developed. Sometimes too much issues are there under the carpet. There are a lot of expenditure, too many nonsense tension. Sometimes things are going in a different shape. People are going in a tangent. Sometimes it's beyond your understanding of what you can do. But if you're in a joint venture or business partnership, then please build the base of understanding. Listen to each other. And you got to drop the pen if sometime. You got to make sure that everybody should be on the same page. There should not be any developed misunderstanding. Please, you have to be extra careful. Aquarius, weekly brief forecast, week commencing 18th October till 24th October. Aquarius, in this coming week, due to Venus Ketu in 10th house, and may I say that this coming week, watch your professional decision, financial decision. Rahu's position in 4th house. Sometimes your focus concentration is missing. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Sometimes family relationship is revolve around a conflict. If you're in legal conflict, be careful. Jupiter, Saturn, 12th house. Watch your investment. Watch your speculation. Mars, Mercury in 8th house. Watch your aggression and temper. Watch your conduct. Look after your partner's health. Look after your own health. Any issue with blood, lower abdomen, digestive system, you must go and see your doctor. Sun position 9th house. Elder's blessing will be the God's blessing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. May I say that complete analysis will be given to you in the weekly report regarding moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your gut feeling, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to get the spiritual help, to achieve your supremacy, to achieve or accomplishing your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Aquarius, conclusion part 1. In this coming week, professionally, you can be very much busy. You'll come across lots of hindrances, obstacles, delays, waste of time in accomplishing your financial backing. Please, you must keep up your efforts. There will be great improvement in your circumstances. You'll come across lots of financial and professional opportunities. All depend on your efforts. There will be rise in family comfort, but your expenditure can be sky high. You got to watch your temper. You got to watch your emotional actions or an emotional reaction in the situation. Please refrain from any kind of overreactions. In this coming week, Jupiter, Saturn, 11th house. May I say that look after your income resources, financial opportunity. If you're leading any program or joint venture or project, you have to be very active, creative, dynamic. Sun position in 8th house. Look after your relationship with people around you, professionally, personally. Sometime you'll be on your own. Nobody is there to support you, but you got to get your confidence is there. Your confidence is biggest power. Please use that one. Rahu's position in 3rd house. Watch your communication with people around you. Venus Ketu in 9th house. Your family's blessing will be the God's blessing. Mars Mercury in 7th house. Refrain from any kind of a personal conflict. Watch your word of speech. Refrain from foul temper, please. Moon position in Lagna. Be practical instead of emotional. You have to make a practical decision. You must take a proper advice. Listen to the word of wisdom and apply it. If you are looking for completed weekly horoscope report, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. That will define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness, your gut feeling. Extensive weekly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need. May I say that if you are trapped in any equation, you must get out from the equation. You got to do that. What precautions you must implement to save your skin? What sacred chanting you must do in this coming week to achieve your supremacy? For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Pisces weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Pisces. In this coming week, you will be able to materialize your plannings. You got to put extreme effort for your gain, success, prosperities. Your expenditure will be on luxuries and lifestyle. You'll be able to participate in a lot of social events, religious events. Health-wise, you must take care of your general well-being, energy level. You got to watch your word of speech, behavior, presentation. Please do handle all technical and legal matters very, very carefully.